It's almost Christmas. I hope you're ready with all the prep. Yes guys, now only construction has to start, vendors have to come, people have to honk. But we are all good guys. And by the way, welcome to my kitchen. I thought of making very aesthetic, put a sheet behind and all that. I was like, no problem. This is what it is guys. Welcome to my kitchen guys.
Okay.
Look at my OOTD guys. This is a check shirt and I'm wearing this skirt. Yay! This is the OOTD for today.
And today's vlog guys. In my dreams also I thought I will not do a vlog like this. Something that I wouldn't even do in normal life I think. But anything for Vlogmas guys. And so today's Vlogmas is going to be how to make hot chocolate guys.
Why are you running?
Because that is the bare minimum I can do guys. So today's Vlogmas is going to be how to make hot chocolate. Let's see what we need. Okay guys, look at this, how neatly I have placed everything. I can't even believe. So to make hot chocolate you would need milk for sure, good cocoa powder, and then sugar. I don't use white sugar, so we have palm jaggery here, and then marshmallow, which is very important. So this is what you will need for the hot chocolate. So yes guys, there's a lot of background noise, but please ignore because I can't do anything about it. The kitchen is close to the road and that's why you're hearing the noise. So the first step that we have to do is boil the milk. So that's what we are going to do now, and I'm scared already.
So take the milk, pour it in there, and then...
So while the milk boils, I have all the time to do chit-chatting with you guys. So we're making hot chocolate because it's the winter season. So it's the time to have hot chocolate with marshmallows. I think it's such a delicious drink to have during this winter season. That's why we are making hot chocolate, and also I felt like having one. And by the way, for the cocoa powder guys that you saw, this is actually from Netherlands. I think most of the things I keep telling that, sorry about that guys, I can't help it because some of my products or most of the products that I use in my normal lifestyle are from there, or I get from there, or someone gets it for me from there. So this is also from Netherlands because my sister got it, and I have to tell you, this is one of the best cocoa powders I have tried because in general I think the food grade there is so high. It's not adulterated. You get the high end quality food products from there, and similar is this cocoa powder. I have had cocoa powder here as well. You might think what is the difference? You might think what is the difference? In India also you get cocoa powder on Nina, but then once you have it you will realize it is so different from what you get here. I think in general anything for that matter, the quality of products and also life in general is so up notch there.
A few moments later.
So yes guys, every 10 minutes some aeroplane goes from there because there's an airport right here. So yes guys, the milk is boiling.
Okay.
I don't remember the name of the cocoa powder because once my sister gave, we transferred it to a bottle and I don't remember the name of it. And sugar guys, I think I've already mentioned in one video, it's been very long since I had white sugar, unless and until I have pastries or whatever, or example this marshmallow have white sugar. But then in general daily basis for coffee and everything, palm jaggery is the one we use whenever my mom comes or when I go home. She always gives me one big packet, and I'm genuinely telling sugar is bad in any form, but this compared to white sugar makes such a huge difference. I can literally feel the difference once I started having this. It's a slightly healthy form of sugar. Again, sugar is sugar, but then white sugar is very bad guys, very very bad.
Let me put it in a language you can understand.
So I think milk boiled guys. Now what should I do? Sorry guys, my mom had called. And the milk has boiled for a very long time and it is half now. So guys, I am a little confused guys. If I pour it in my cup, by the way this is the cup. If I pour it in my cup, how will I mix guys? So I am thinking I'll pour it in a glass first, but I'm not very sure. Okay, let's pour it anyways. Now we're gonna pour the milk. We have to turn off the gas first. Now we'll turn off the gas. Wait for it to go down because I'm very scared of milk guys. June I burnt myself. If you didn't see my past vlogs. So we will pour it very carefully.
Yay! I have poured it, mommy.
So tired. So tired guys. And then we are going to mix it and then pour it in the cup. I think that's how we should do, right? Whatever.
So first we are going to add in the cocoa powder. I don't know how much to add, but we will add and see. And then I'm going to add the sugar. Sugar. Copyright. For everything they'll give copyright, so I can't.
Now I'm going to whatever it is called guys.
I wish I had the blender because this is very like it's leaving chunks, guys. What should I have done? Did I do anything wrong? Please let me know, guys.
What? Oh my god!
My dress and all is becoming hot chocolate, guys. Still, we'll mix it. What do I do about these chunks, guys? Did I do anything wrong? I don't think so.
And I also think the cocoa powder is enough. Now this is the cup that I will use, guys. Okay, next I'm gonna pour this into the cup. Somehow I feel I added less sugar, but we'll see. Does it look good? I don't think so. But then, okay, now I have like a very important doubt and I don't know whom to ask and what to do.
You could do so.
I should have googled it before the video. It's too late. We will do whatever we want. So these marshmallow, how do we add it? Like seriously, I don't know. Like, do we just put it? Are we supposed to do something with it and put it? But I'm just gonna place it. Oh guys, it actually looks good. Should I do 2 or should I do 3? I have some updates which I'll tell while I am. My god, I think I did too many marshmallows. But I will talk to you in some time, guys. See you.
One eternity later.
Hi guys, I'm back. This is the hot chocolate I made. How does it look? I don't even know.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna try it and see how it is.
Like genuinely nice, not bad at all, guys. I was thinking it's going to be super bitter because I added a lot of cocoa powder and less sugar, but then it's actually yummy. Guys, literally I feel like I'm in some winter wonderland. It is actually so good. These marshmallows, to be very honest, I tried already. Like when the packet came, oh, it's melted and
I was not expecting this. I was genuinely not expecting it will turn out so good. Sorry, guys.
it is so good, guys. I mean, this is very nice. I was not expecting this. Like literally I'm telling you, till this time I was thinking it's gonna be bad. I know hot chocolate is a very simple thing to make, but I felt I was going to mess it up because before this, when my sister gave this chocolate powder, I tried it and it was so bad. I think I did something wrong. It was just too chunky and I could not like mix it well, and I tried something and all, and I ended up not drinking also. But this is actually very nice, guys.
By the way, these marshmallow, guys, these are from Haribo Jamalo's Pink and White Marshmallows. So these are the ones actually.
So yes, guys, even online when I was ordering, I saw this. What's Chamalos? Chamalos marshmallows. So I don't know.
So I don't know what the Chamalos mean, but marshmallows for sure this is. And also one more thing, guys.
The last Christmas I had ordered marshmallows and it was so bad. Like I can't even tell you, it was very bad. I was badly looking for marshmallows and I ordered 2 variants. One was a vanilla one and one was a pineapple one. They didn't have the original one online, and the vanilla one was too sweet, like extremely sweet, to the point where there was so much sugar, and the pineapple one was good by itself but not in a hot chocolate. Like it was very weird tasting when I put it in the hot chocolate. So both of them I could not use in the hot chocolate. And today I was looking for a good marshmallow option, and I was checking Zepto, didn't have good options, and I was checking Blinkit, didn't have good options. I think they went out of stock, and then finally I checked Swiggy, Instamart, and then I bought this. This is actually twice the price of the marshmallows they were selling in Zepto and Blinkit, but I think this is so good. These marshmallows, as soon as it came, I started having also, and I think this was 260 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think. Yes, guys, this is 260, and the ones they had in Zepto and Blinkit didn't look so nice, and they were around 120. But I think these ones are really good, guys. Although I don't like the flavored or the colored ones, like this pink one also I don't like. I like the original white marshmallows, and this gives me such a nostalgia, guys, because as a child my dad used to get a lot of like marshmallows for us whenever he went abroad. Also he used to get marshmallows, marshmallow chocolates. So I remember loving these as a child as well. Okay guys, another very important update. This Sunday vlog that you're seeing, I'm pre-filming it for the very first time in Vlogmas.
Gotcha, bitch!
Seriously guys, Vlogmas every day what was happening. I was filming it that day, editing it in the night, seeing it also during the night. but for the very first time I am pre-filming one of the Vlogmas days, that is the Sunday Vlogmas. I think it is 22, right? Yeah, Sunday's Vlogmas. I am pre-filming it, and I wanted to be very honest about that because I am going to Chennai today again. Like, I came 2 days back, but again I have to go. I have a small work there, nothing serious, everything is fine, everybody is good, but I have like a quick work that I have to attend to. So I'm flying today evening, that is Saturday, and then Monday I should be back. But still I wanted to tell it in the video because I wanted to be very honest about it. I think others also do Vlogmas the same way. They film during the day whatever is happening and then post it in the night, because that's how it should be done. 24 days of Vlogmas means those 24 days what you have been doing. But sometimes if your schedule doesn't match or like doesn't allow you to vlog, then you have to like pre-film. There is no other option. I have seen YouTubers who pre-film but also are like very open about it in the video, which I think is a very good thing, and I also definitely wanted to tell it on camera. So it's a very short trip, and I just came back from Chennai, but again I have to go for a very small work. And also one of the reasons I'm pre-filming because I don't think I have the time to vlog tomorrow, and I don't want to miss out on this schedule because I've been doing it so consistently for 20 days, and the day 21 Vlogmas that I did today, I will be editing and posting it by the end of the night. But day 22's vlog I definitely wanted to record and keep it ready. Also the evening flight scenes, guys, if I record anything or like film anything in the airport, then I will attach it in either, or definitely attach those clips as well. But still I think we are very good with the Vlogmas schedule. Yes guys, that is the update. I'm going to have my hot chocolate and pack and get ready as soon as possible. That's why my mom had also called. She was like, don't miss your flight, because I have a history of missing flight. So I need to get ready ASAP and then start, because my flight is at 4:30 or 5 PM I guess. So before that I need to leave as soon as possible. Also it's the weekend, so there's going to be a lot of traffic. So yes guys, this winter season I hope you also make hot chocolate at home. It is just amazing, guys. With that I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas day 22. I will see you in Vlogmas day 23, guys. Bye guys.